Hello, and welcome back to another unboxing. This one's going to be on Moebius Models Cylon Raider from the Reimagined series. This is a really cool kit. It comes with 2 ships per kit at 1/72nd scale, and I love how it has that aggressive look, so let's take a look. Alright, here she is. This is Battlestar Galactica Cylon Raider from the new Reimagined TV series. This is the 1/72nd scale one. Comes with 2 kits, which is really nice. This is just going to be a static build. These are so small, and it's more of a pain in the neck than you need to get into with lighting them. They just look good static anyway. I'm going to do the same thing with the Viper Mark II and Mark VII that I have of the same style kits that come with 2. Just going to make them static kits. Sometimes I get so amped to make everything light up that, yeah, it's more trouble than it's worth for such a small kit. The only thing that can be really lit up on this kit is the 2 engines anyway. So sometimes it's good to keep it simple, stupid, and just build the model kit really cool. So on those smaller ones, but I do have the bigger versions coming. They should be here really soon, in the next few days. I have a bigger version of the Cylon Raider and the Mark II and the Mark VII Vipers. And those I'm going to full out, do the interior and light that, and light the, engines and everything on that. On those, just like I'm doing with the original series, 1/32nd scale. And the old school Cylon, I got the replacement engines for that old monogram one. And yeah, so those will be cool to light up because they're big and you can do a lot of stuff, and you can run wires places and stuff like that, where these are just so tiny. And but let's dig into this and take a look. Should be a fairly simple kit. It's just going to be multiple of them. I already dug through here, so that's why there's stuff out. And hopefully, I was digging through it and saying, there's all these pieces are big, so it's easy to open this plastic. There's no small pieces, and then a small piece falls out. This I might build right away because it's really simple. I can just put it together, fix the seams, and it just paint, and it's really only like 3 colors. So let's take a look at the manual. The manual's that cool manual to cut ends, just a little different, but yeah, fairly simple. A whole three stages. That's it. I think even the big one is fairly simplistic too. It's just more detail as far as putting it together. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Put the fuselage halves together, put the rear thrusters together, glue them on. Put the center lower fuselage in, and then it's gone to stand. So, and then back here we have suggested colors. The optical scanner, which is like that eye piece, because they kind of have that Cylon face on them, is red. They're saying that the rear thrusters are a dark rust, and the same thing with the dark rust for the port and starboard thrusters, which must be part of these. Yeah, you probably just do that little area as a dark rust. And then other than that, the whole ship's a silver. And then you do a medium gray stripe. Engine vents are medium gray. And then down under here you do a dark gray on those little grills right there. And then a gunmetal for the cannons. So it's fairly simple. I might build this one right away. Here's your stand, just like the others. It's got the globe picture on the front here, and I don't know if I'm going to just leave them that clear or try to do something underneath it, highlight the if I can paint, because they etched it from underneath. That gives that foggy white look. So I might just leave them clear and just glue them so that they're not so prevalent. And they don't look that bad. So, parts, like I said, not much to it. Each tree is a different ship. So that shows you. You got your fuselage. Those are the arms that probably go on these parts here. And then your centerpiece that snaps in there. Headpiece that snaps on there. And then your thrusters that go to the back. Still not 100% sure how they snap in. But I'm sure they do somehow. But that's really all there is to it. Times 2. So, real simple. And don't want to lose that piece. But yeah, it's a cool kit. Sometimes it's nice to do something simple. Especially when I'm getting ready to work on the EVA pod. And I got everything in on it. Probably going to start it this week. I can do this on the side. This might even be like almost like a one-day build. Like I'm on Adam Savage just tested. I mean, I know that him and the gentleman that actually plays, the one actor that plays on the new show, they did the bigger version of this real quick. So they didn't light it, and those I want to light since I'm not lighting these smaller ones. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a real short one, but this is a cool kit to get, especially that you get 2 of them. You can have 2 of them displayed there. And yeah, I'm gonna build a whole like Battlestar Galactica little section to my display area. Don't have anything really special for display area yet. I'm looking to get a place, so and I'll build a whole dedicated area for all these. It's one thing of being a model builder, you're always running out of places, so that's why sometimes some of these smaller kits are nice, because they don't take up space, especially when you got, you know, 1 through 50 enterprises like I have, you know, still have to build because I'm doing the whole lineage of the enterprises. You know, I might even go as far as getting the battleship, the aircraft, or the aircraft carrier, and making one of the shuttles an Enterprise. That would be neat. And then the old sailing ship, the MS Enterprise. But yeah, I got all the Enterprises from the original series, or should I say the NX-1, all the way up to the F, Enterprise F, which is a 3D printed one, which I'm going to do fairly soon too, because it's just a painted model. I have to do an unboxing on that. Yeah, I haven't done an unboxing on that. It's really just a 3D printed part from, like, I guess the online game where they did a design contest for an Enterprise F. But anyway, I'm rambling, but yeah, I hope you come back and watch the series. It's probably going to be one video for the most part. I think I can cram that all in one video, and it's going to be fairly simplistic. And till then, thanks for watching.